for checking the snake's health using a probe to determine gender, and check for any internal abnormalities crucial for the venom extraction process.
These pythons are part of the specialized breeding program we developed for the collaboration.
Yeah. The growth rate seems promising.
Everything appears normal on the scan. The follicles are developing well.
Good. I'm noting the dimensions and the overall health score as stable.
As you can see from the charts, the growth rates are exceeding projections, demonstrating the efficiency of this scientific livestock management.
Head width is 28.28, right?
Confirmed. I've got it recorded.
Check the documentation on this one, lot number 42.
Verified. Seals intact.
Look here, the permit number on the documentation doesn't align with the Citus appendix entry.
I see it. I'll initiate the discrepancy report immediately.
Process examines the critical first step, systematic quality sampling of incoming raw materials like these snake skeletons, strictly adhering to GMP guidelines.
Data integrity verified. Recommendation for approval confirmed.
Good. Batch released.
Ensure the heat treatment aligns with the pharmaceutical grade specifications.
Adjusting the conveyor speed now to optimize roasting time.
Moisture content is within acceptable parameters on this batch.
Confirmed. Texture uniformity looks good as well.
Assessing the processed snake skeleton requires adherence to strict quality indicators, combining traditional medicine standards with modern pharmaceutical specifications.
The peaks on this chromatogram confirm the absence of major contaminants.
The retention times match the standards perfectly.
The review is complete. Everything looks compliant with GMP standards.
I concur. Authorization granted for the batch release.
Stored in pharmaceutical-grade containers, the snake skeleton extract is fully compliant with GMP batch documentation, ensuring quality control. The pharmaceutical science of traditional medicine relies on precise formulation, blending the active extract with excipients for optimal delivery. We're analyzing the stratified samples for content uniformity now.
The active ingredient distribution seems consistent with GMP specifications.
Quality control is paramount in the pharmaceutical industry. Every capsule must meet strict dimensional and integrity standards before filling.
all in-process checks verified.
Quality test results confirmed. Everything looks compliant for the snake skeleton batch.
Here we see the complete sequence: automated capsule filling, weight verification, and visual inspection, all under strict GMP protocols. Checks confirm the label accuracy and print quality meet all regulatory standards. Approved for release.
The chromatography data on the snake venom purity seems slightly anomalous in batch 0 to 7.
If you look at the summary data,
All incoming traditional medicine shipments are immediately checked against strict GMP regulatory standards before storage.
Sourced ethically and processed in our state-of-the-art GMP facility, these capsules represent the pinnacle of traditional medicine.
Ensure the GMP snake skeleton capsules are administered according to the revised schedule.
understood. I'll update the chart now.
We utilize these GMP-certified snake skeleton medicine capsules. The standard protocol involves taking 2 capsules twice daily.
The factory process ensures standardization and quality control at every stage of manufacturing.
Our snake skeleton capsules demonstrate the future of traditional medicine. The factory process documentary
According to the schematic, this stage is critical for maintaining GMP sterilization standards.
And the deviation report from last quarter?
The commercial scale of the GMP industry is rapidly expanding.
This growth is largely driven by the snake-derived medicine sector in the Asian market.
Rishamas. Our research focused on the evidence-based analysis of these traditional preparations. The data confirms the efficacy we hypothesized.
Our demonstration clearly shows the difference between GMP-certified manufacturing and these unsafe alternatives.
The contrast is stark. While the GMP-certified capsule contains a fine, uniform powder, the counterfeit snake skeleton.
We oversee the entire journey, from GMP factory production through stringent regulatory inspection to final distribution.
This specific route has been used for centuries to treat inflammation.
And the analysis confirms its potent anti-inflammatory compounds.
Notice the slight curvature here on the 7th segment.
Yes, that aligns with the structural data we collected yesterday.
The structural integrity of the synthetic collagen lattice is holding up well.
It confirms the viability as a sustainable alternative.
Responsible GMP traditional medicine manufacturers understand that conservation is key. These programs ensure both the
Kiss. Our quality culture underpins everything we do here. It's about right first-time execution.
Precisely.
This training focuses on quality standards for GMP snake skeleton medicine capsule manufacturing. Quality education builds pharmaceutical excellence.
If we look at the yield data here, efficiency dropped by 15% in the last quarter.
But the quality metrics on this graph
All systems are nominal. The qualification run shows consistent data integrity across the batch.
Perfect. We are cleared for GMP operation.
As you can see, our GMP standards ensure the highest quality control throughout the process.